Once again, welcome to Learn Simply. In this video, you will learn about definition of noun, types of noun, recap of last tutorial video. Now you are familiar with the parts of speech definition: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Definition of noun. It refers to person, animal, place, things, ideas or events, etc. Types of noun: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, non-countable noun, collective noun and compound noun. Proper noun refers only to a single person, place or thing, and there is no common name for it. It always begins with capital letter. Example: Bengaluru. It refers to only one particular city. John refers to a particular person. Common noun is a name for something which is common for many things, persons or places. It encompasses a particular type of things, person or places. Example: country. It can refer to any country. City. It can refer to any city like Bengaluru, Mumbai. Abstract noun is a word for something that cannot be seen, but it is there. It has no physical existence. Generally, it refers to ideas, qualities and conditions. Example: truth, lies, happiness, sorrow, time, friendship, humor, patriotism, etc. Concrete noun is the exact opposite of abstract noun. It refers to the things we see and have a physical existence. Example: chair, table, bat, ball, water, money, sugar, etc. The nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. Countable nouns can take an article, a, an, they. Example: chair, table, bat, ball, etc. The nouns that cannot be counted are called non-countable nouns. Example: water, sugar, oil, salt, etc. A collective noun is a word for a group of things, people or animals, etc. Example: family, team, jury, cattle, etc. Compound noun. Two or three nouns appear together or even with the other parts of speech and create idiomatic compound nouns. Idiomatic means that those nouns behave as a unit and to a lesser or greater degree amount to more than the sum of their parts. Example: six-pack, 5-year-old, and son-in-law, snowball, mailbox, etc. In next video, you will learn definition of pronoun and its types. For detailed explanation with notes and for other tutorial videos, you can visit our website www.learnsimply.com. Also get connected with us on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok for regular updates on our upcoming tutorial videos. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Please let us know your comments in below section. Thank you for watching.